Cleaning and corrosion control, general orals. What are the 5 common forms of corrosion? Fill form, fretting, dissimilar metal, interangular, surface, and stress corrosion. Name at least 3 factors that influence corrosion: the environment, the temperature, type of metal, the availability of electrolytes and dissimilar metals, and the condition of protective coating. What are the 2 general conditions that may cause stress, corrosion, cracking? Sustained tensile stress and a corrosive environment. What is the principal cause of fill form corrosion? Surfaces that have been improperly chemical treatment prior to painting. Where is interangular corrosion most likely to occur? Typically along the grain boundaries of extruded metals. What is another name for dissimilar metal corrosion? Galvanic corrosion. What are the factors which affect the type of corrosion? The form of corrosion varies with atmospheric conditions, size, shape of the metal, type of metal, and the corrosion producing agents present. What methods are used for removing rust from aircraft material? Except on highly stressed steel surfaces, the use of abrasive papers and compounds, small power buffers and buffing compounds, hand wire brushing, and steel wool are all acceptable methods of removing rust. What is an acceptable method for removing surface corrosion from titanium? Stainless steel brush, aluminum oxide and paper, Scotch-Brite, hand polish using aluminum polish, and a soft cotton cloth. What specific operations are part of corrosion preventative maintenance? Cleaning, lubrication, detailed inspection, corrosion treatment, touch-up of damaged paint, sealing, use of protective covers, and daily wipe down of exposed critical areas. Name the steps for corrosion removal. Clean and strip the corroded areas, remove as much corrosion as possible, neutralize any residual material remaining in pits and crevices. Restore protective surface films and paint. What tools are approved for cleaning corroded anodized surfaces? Nylon scrubber pads, aluminum wool, and aluminum wire brushes. What is used to keep corrosion from forming on aluminum alloy? An oxide coating or aluminum cladding. Name at least 1 type of surface treatment used on aluminum surfaces. Alloydizing and anodizing. What products should be used to clean an aircraft engine? A fine spray of kerosene or solvent. Kerosene being alcohol. What is the preferred cleaning agent for plastic and rubber surfaces? Soap and water. What should be used to clean grease, fuel, or oil from aircraft tires? Soap and water. Why should only recommended cleaners be used on aircraft fabric and plastics? Their use causes less degradation of the material. Name 5 areas of an aircraft that are more prone to corrosion. Battery compartments, wheel wells, landing gear, wing flap recesses, piano hinges, exhaust trail areas, any areas that can entrap water. What form of corrosion can be found in battery compartments? Chemical corrosion, direct chemical corrosion. Why are piano type hinges prime locations for corrosion? Piano hinges use dissimilar metals and tend to trap contaminants between the pin and the hinge surfaces. What is used to neutralize lead acid battery electrolyte? A solution of baking soda and water, or sodium bicarbonate. It's like chemical name. What is the difference between wet wash and dry wash? Wet wash is water and an agent. Dry wash is compressed air, or like using a cloth to clean and remove dust and films. What are types of light duty and heavy duty aircraft cleaning agents? Light duty being soap and synthetic detergents, heavy duty being solvents and emulsion type cleaners. What would you do before cleaning a windscreen? Wet the surface before cleaning to prevent scratches. What does film corrosion look like, and where can it be found? It appears to look like thread or worm-like puffiness of the painted surface. It occurs between the metal surface and the protective coating. How is the inside of structural tubing prevented from corroding? Hot linseed oil. Name at least 4 procedures commonly used in the corrosion preventative maintenance process: cleaning, lubrication, inspection, treatment, keeping the drain holes clear, drain fuel sumps, daily wipe down, sealing, using protective covers. What general precautions should be used when washing an aircraft? Avoid or protect areas which may be damaged or contaminated, such as bearings, hinges, sealed areas, and pitot and static ports. What are some types of light-duty cleaning agents? Soap and synthetic detergents. What are some types of heavy cleaning agents? Solvents and emulsions. What form of corrosion is an attack along the grain boundaries of an alloy that is usually caused by improper heat treatment? Intergranular corrosion. What is the most common type of corrosion? Surface. Is it permissible to use steel wool or steel wire brushes on aluminum surfaces? No, because traces of steel can become embedded in the aluminum and cause corrosion. The lifting and flaking of metal surface due to the buildup of corrosion products as a result of severe intergranular corrosion is an indication of what form of corrosion? Exfoliation. Why would aluminum metal polish not be used on anodized aluminum surfaces? It will remove the oxide coat. How are piano-type hinges protected from corrosion? By being kept as clean as possible and properly lubricated. Why is an aircraft cleaned before inspection? It enables the mechanic to conduct a more accurate inspection.